We are the Bangladeshi people generally feels that if we go in the developed country, then our life will be good and very excellent. Of course, this prejudice and this expectation is the true. Who are the advanced in Bangladesh? For them, I think the developed country is not good. In developed country we can income much, but there is of course also big spending also. We generally don't calculate this. The migrant people generally don't lead the high quality life, and where is the big spending. They save their money without proper food, without proper shelter and high quality dress up and lifestyle. So they can save money and send the money to the country. So Bangladesh countrymen, especially rural peoples, cannot understand this. Non-English speaking country where English is not accepted, like Japan, Arabian countries, France, German and China, etc. They are, even though we are educated, actually we are not educated. If we cannot speak, if we cannot write, if we cannot communicate properly, even though we are geologist or doctor or engineer or high quality professional in Bangladesh, in foreign country we are not educated, fully illiterate. So my request, before come Japan's like countries, if you want to really lead a good life, of course you need a professional education based on the demands of your desired country. Especially you need to adapt and you need to make mind on the cultures, language, religions, lifestyles, food systems. Muslim peoples generally don't like to eat host country food because of haram and halal. Developed country peoples love the religions, don't want to destroy the other religions' values, so they respect, they try to give the food, but they can, if you always be sensitive on the food like Hindu, Jew and Muslim, you cannot be unite with the non-Muslim society. So it is very suffering. At the same time, if you are not educated on the host country's cultures, then you will be suffer every moment, every step. So you need to make, before come to country, any country, you need to make mind with the mainstream cultures. Without mainstream culture adaptations and your big mind to receive others, you will be suffer lost. Before migrate or before coming to Japan or others country like Canada, America, Australia, New Zealand, Arabian countries, Chinese and France, you must need to learn their language. You must need to train up yourself on the professional educations. Your immigrant life will be very enjoyable. Otherwise you will be suffer every moment and every steps. Not only just leading life, without naturalizations of with the mainstream society, you will also not be able to get the permanent visa, or you cannot convert your citizenship. If we have the immigrant mind to going to the another country, of course we need to make our mind or like that country. So there is one proverb: if you go Rome, you must has to be a Roman. My personal experience, as a conclusion, I would like to say, if you really want to live in Japan, you must need to be first Japanese. Thank you very much for watching.